Welcome back, it's Hey Mom, and I'm here today to tell you some tips and tricks to help you make your Airbnb as great as it can be. Don't be afraid to talk to your guests. A nice polite hello, how you doing, just checking in on you. And when you do, make sure you ask if there's something in the space that you could be doing better. Recently I had a guest stay and she told me that it would be really helpful to have a bookshelf. So I went out and got her the bookshelf and I put it into the closet where she recommended. A simple addition like this can really make them happy. There's also a vacuum cleaner, a chair, a dustpan, and a fly swatter. Little touches like a space heater really help improve people's stay in case they like to change the temperature a little bit for themselves. A fan is super important. Whether the people like to have some white noise or they just want to have a little more cool, a fan is a super asset for your Airbnb. I like to have a fan in every room. This way the people who stay at the Airbnb can keep cool. Adding a simple thing like a coat rack is a great asset to your Airbnb. If you need a power strip, add one. It really doesn't cost a lot and it makes a traveler very comfortable. If you have the ability to install USB ports to your master bedroom outlets, that's a plus. Don't forget the little things. A well-placed night light can mean the difference of guests finding the light switches or not. Giving people comfortable options to have a tray table wherever they need. This is also really useful in your Airbnb. Think about furniture that has multi-uses. Not only is this a coffee table, but it also can become a table. Boom. Instantly, it gets closer to the couch and can become a surface for someone to enjoy. Whether the guest is going to eat here or use it as a desk, having a multifunctional surface that can become a bigger table is excellent. Don't like people throwing luggage on your bed or on any other surface of your Airbnb? Then be sure to provide them with a luggage rack. It's not very expensive and travelers really appreciate them. Having a garbage can in the bedroom sounds really simple. It is a nice touch. I've seen people skip this a lot, but it is really nice to leave some hangers for your guests. Another very well appreciated item is leaving extra bedding so that if the guest feels like it, they can change their bed. Providing them with a means to do so is helpful. Something as simple as a bedside TV tray can make your Airbnb stand out. Providing an articulating bed is an excellent perk for someone who's traveling as a nurse with a TV in the room. They enjoy that during their time off. They can also raise their feet while they watch their favorite show. Try to think of everything that you would use while you're staying at an Airbnb to cook your food. Also leave the people an option to clean. Be sure the dish rack is changed out now and then. Just by changing this one thing, the home is nice and bright and clean. Stay in contact with your guests. It will save you a lot in the long run and make for happier guests and happier reviews. I hope these tips are helpful for you during your Airbnb journey.